picked the shower that he had, I don't know how long, like 1 or 2 weeks, he told me. The water have been dripped. Yeah, look like it's hot water. Okay, this I show you how to replace the shell or the cover there to do yourself to save money. Okay, we'll start soon. I'll tell you, before you change the valve on that shower, you need to close the main water. Okay. Main water, you know, outside the building or outside your house. Mostly, if you have a home, it's outside your house. In some buildings, it have some valve that similar to this. Okay, you have to close it all the way. I bought the cartridge from Low. It's about $13. Close all the way, and then you start work on it. Okay, after I turn the water entrance to the building off, you can see the water stop leaking. So the water stop leaking, then we work on that. This model is the cartridge for Pfister. You know, depend on what model you have on your shower. So to remove this, you have to take this cover out. You have to screw inside here. Okay, then you use a flat fillet to unscrew it out. Make sure you keep this outside here. It might be dropped to the drain. Okay, and next step, you use the wrench to unscrew this out. This is hold the cartridge in place. So next step, you remove this. You have to pull it out, but I have to put this back to pull it. You see if I can do it, because this is going to be kind of tight. But take your time. Tighten it. And what I gotta do, I gotta use this handle and pull it out. It's so tight because they never changed it. Look like it moved a little bit.
อ้าวเฮ็ดห้องว่าพอดูโอ้
บ่มันบ่มีเสียง
มันได้เสียง
Oh, see,
โอ้ตัวคนเอา
it's come out now. This piece here broke. Not broke, it's supposed to be like this, but it have seal. Okay. Now clean here. See any washer in there? The washer is right here. Wow, yeah. Too common. Now remove this screw. This one. Okay. Get that one.
เรียกว่าใส่บ่ได้เนาะตัว
Thin that one. You throw away the one. Did you want to put it in here? Man, me lie right here for the lock. On this. Okay, make sure it go down. Slide into that spot. Just lie up. Okay. This slide in. Okay, I feel like I'm pushed in. Easy to get in. Okay. And then you put this.
เห็นแม่นบ่ตัวนี่สิเก็บทิ่มให้
Bo.
บ่ทิ่มบ่
So I'm a second. This lock to screw. Tight back. The hand tight is good. Yay! Oh, it works. Okay, put this back. Screw มันตกลงมาแล้ว
เอาขึ้นมา
Alright. Screw it.
ก็บ่ยากก็บ่ง่ายเนาะเฮ็ดเฮ็ดเป็น
But how pull manga mad anymore. Before it kind of tight in and out. Now it's so easy. You can turn cool and hot. Close. Okay, let's put another test.
เรียบร้อย
อันนี้ทีมอันนี้
ติดมาตัวละ
ทีมก็ลงใส่ละมีแต่ตัวนั้นนะทีมแบบนี้ดูเว้ยแล้วอันนี้ก็เอาจับมาเลยทีมตัวเลยโอเค let me go turn on the water see it hold on okay take a minute okay that's testing close done okay do it yourself save some money thank you for watching if you like the video please share and like and subscribe thank you